Hello viewers, it's me Nabil from Auto Repair Champs. Today we've got a 2003, actually I'm sorry, it's a 2004 Chevy Tahoe LS with a 5.3 Vortec engine. Today we're going to show you a couple of things, and this is pretty common on these trucks. Your cigarette lighter is not working, and or your ODB connection is not working. It's plugged in and it's not working. Your problem is going to be a fuse. Head to the front of the car, open the hood, move this cover for the fuse box. Just put your fingers here, lift it up, and then you look here. And what you need to look for is a cigarette lighter fuse, and that is right there. So looking at this, that's how you look at this panel, that's how you look at the fuse box. It's going to be, let me get my light here, it's going to be this one, which is not the four on the corner here, the one that's gonna be this one right there. Right there, that's gonna be this one right there. So let's pull that one out and see if it's bad. And I'm just being sarcastic. Let me pull my small needle nose to pull this fuse. Okay, so I was being sarcastic there. It doesn't have to be this big to pull a fuse, but that's the only one I could find right away. I don't want you guys to hold too long. So I got this puller. Hold that fuse and let's pull it out and look at it. I'm gonna set it right there for now so I can grab my other hand. Voila! It's burnt right there from the top. I'm gonna put a light on it and see if we can see that burnt right there. So let me go ahead and grab a fuse. This is going to be a 15 amp fuse. Let's go ahead and get one of those 15 amps. Let's see what I got. My fuses right there. It's gonna be the blue one. Make sure this is good, looks good. Put this one in. And let's head back to the car and make sure that our cigarette lighter is working. And it is working. You can see these numbers for the radio. And if we change that, yeah, these numbers are changing. I don't know, the display looks like it's not working, but the numbers are sure changing. And let's look at our ODB. Voila, our ODB connection is working again. We are all set. Thanks for watching, folks. Like, hit the thumbs up, and let us know what you think. Hopefully you find this video helpful to you. Have a great day.